You won't believe these gadgets actually exist. Here are the top 5 future inventions that you can buy soon. Number 1 is going to blow your mind. Starting at number 5, we have the tire that never goes flat. This is the Michelin Uptis. It has no air, which means no punctures and no blowouts. It uses flexible ribs to absorb bumps, making it nearly indestructible. Say goodbye to changing tires on the side of the road. At number 4, Harry Potter's magic is finally real. Meet the Invisibility Shield. This isn't a camera trick or a green screen. It uses precision-engineered lenses to bend light, making the subject disappear while the background stays visible. It requires no batteries and is perfect for pranking your friends or hiding from your boss. You stand right behind it and poof, you are gone. Number 3 is straight out of Star Wars. The Xturismo Hoverbike. This beast can fly for 40 minutes and reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. It's loud, it's fast, and it's dangerous. Basically, it's the ultimate toy for adrenaline junkies. At number 2, we have the world's fastest shoes, the Moonwalkers. These AI-powered shoes increase your walking speed by 250%. They adapt to your gait using machine learning and feature an 8-wheel drivetrain. They can hit a top speed of 7 miles per hour, and they charge via USB-C in just 1.5 hours. Walking to work just became a lot more fun. And finally, at number 1, the Gravity Jet Suit. Yes, you can now fly like Iron Man. With 1,000 horsepower strapped to your arms and back, this suit lets you fly securely into the sky. It is currently being tested by paramedics to reach mountains quickly. The future is literally here. Which gadget would you buy if you were a billionaire? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more tech madness.